ThriftBooks app, new and used books. So quite trending app. Shops 13 million new and used books for up to 90% off list price. Super cool. All of these new books on Amazon recently getting so much more expensive, and people are trying to kind of buy secondhand books, especially if you just literally need it for just some small things for a few hours or even to read one time. Why do you need like exactly super new book if you just read it somewhere and then just throw it out, whatever? So this is more kind of sustainable app. Scan barcodes to compare prices and check availability to make sure you get the best book prices. Shop Street Books deals to get 10% off on more than 150,000 items every day. Join Reading Rewards to earn a free book for every 500 points you earn. Over 300 Trustpilot reviews with a 4.75 trust score. Get instant notification when we receive an out-of-stock item on your wish list. Find the best book prices using the barcode. Get the US shipping on orders over $15, 100% recyclable packaging. So that's basically what you have in here. And then yeah, you can just go and install it. And then yeah, you can just there are reading rewards actually as well. So earn points for every dollar you spend more, earn more. Free book, the higher. And then you just see here, the more you read, the more you have. And this is the app: deals, collectibles, bestsellers, new and trending. And then yeah, you can also see it in here. Give a book, get a book. When you refer a friend to sign up for reading, and you both get a free book reward. So that's also that's pretty cool deal. And then you can also see that in here. So there you have it.